Hello friends, welcome to Muzella Studio. Today we will tell you about an important information, how you can list NFT on Muzella Studio platform. So let's start. First of all, let us tell you about NFT because it is very important to know about it. NFT, non-fungible token, basically a unique cryptographic token that is in a blockchain and cannot be changed. Now let's list NFT in Muzella Studio. First of all, open your web browser. In the search box, type muzella.studio. Now you will come to the home page of Muzella Studio. First you need to register here along with basic details like your username, name, email ID and a secure password. After that you need to click on the register button. Now your account has been successfully registered on Muzella Studio. Now go to the browser and download the MetaMask extension and then link GDCCScan.io to the MetaMask wallet. Now you need to click on NFT Studio and then click on My Collection. Now click on Create Collection. Here, in the section of Add Your Collection, type NFT name, royalty, description and upload the image in the collection logo and banner option. Click on the Create button. After clicking, you will get two notifications from MetaMask, which you have to confirm. Now click on NFT and we can add NFT to the collection. Click on Add Items to add NFTs. Now click on the minting option. Now, a new window will open in which you select the name of the NFT, its category in the category ID, description and the price of the NFT and add the external link. Now, upload the image in thumb and item media space option. After that, click on the Save button. Now click on three dots and click on the Mint option. You confirm a notification which is generated by MetaMask. Now click on the three dots again and click on List NFT. You have successfully listed NFT. This is the process. Thank you.